Hello guys, this is the new keyboard that we bought. This is a mini mechanical keyboard. This is from CocoSport. It's a new brand from India, Chennai, and the model name is Virgo. So they have another model which is name is Orion that had blue switches, but we opted for Virgo for the red switches. And apart from the red switch, they also give a Type-C connector, and they give you two separate red switches. This is how the packaging looks. Pretty simple. Gaming gear logo here. Red switches are good for gaming. The label price is 1700 on this one. Yeah, and on the back side you can see how the keyboard will look. Again the Type-C, red switch. This is automatic red switches. An extra switch, 61 keys, backlit keyboard, and automatic red switches, braided cable, and gold-plated Type-C connector. Yes, it has gold-plated Type-C connector. And now let's unbox. Look at this. This keyboard is so beautiful. It is quite small and also heavy. And yes, even with my small hands, I can pick it up with just one hand. It really like this. And as accessories, we get the braided cable. Yeah, it looks gold plated. And the braided cable is similar to what you see in gaming mouses and other keyboards. Nothing special here. Here are the extra two red switches and one keycap puller. Let's see the switch and keycap puller here. Yes, it feels different. I have another keyboard with white box switches and this one is different. Let's see how to use this keycap puller. And this is how the keyboard looks after we connect it to the computer. Lights are bright, and I think we can change the mode by this function key, but we don't know exactly what are the combinations, so we won't try that now. But you can see the lights are bright and beautiful to look at. This is how it will look if your room is dark. They have given this key puller, so I will show you how to use that. Just set it like this and press. On that sound, this key puller is attached to the end of the keycap like this, and then you just need to pull it. This is how it will look. Then just remove it from the key puller, and this is the red switch. The LED is above the switches. And to fix the keycap, just place it on top and press hard. Yes, it fixed. Now let's come to the sound. Let's see how the red switches sound. What should I write? So So the red switches sounds are not loud, and unlike blue switches or the one I have white switch keyboard, it doesn't make the two click sounded. It's just only one, like this. And this is definitely good for gamers, but for writers they might find it troublesome because they won't know if they are pressing the right key. But for gamers and other designer work, this is a great keyboard. This is the CocoSport K21 Virgo.